to my right, your left. This dude and I, like you said, have been doing this for 10 years, and when we first started it, I had no clue what it was going to become, and I don't think he did either. And to think that we're on the other side of the world right now, and you guys are all here singing all these words like this, it really is the coolest thing in the world, so we thank you so much. And the reason I bring that up is because it wouldn't be possible if he didn't believe in me and he didn't believe in what this could be. So, it's very true. And I've had just enough alcohol to be a little emotional about this, so I'm gonna try to relax some tears. I feel like I'm giving a best man speech. What I want to say is that I love this guy like a brother in front of all these people here because this is why we do it. You're my best friend, and I'm so happy we're doing this together. The waterworks. You're trying to get me on. Chill, man. Y'all got me emo over here. Please give it up for Justin Bryan, everybody. I wear the glasses.
To my left, your right. I could talk for hours and hours about how talented he is, Manoa, but you've already seen what he's capable of doing. I don't have to talk about that. So I'll talk about something more important, him as a person. He's an amazing best friend, the best friend I could ever ask for. He's a great husband that shows up for his wife every single day. He's a great son to his parents, who have become like my parents over the last 10 years. And for the first time in Noah, he is an amazing dad.
If you were at VIP today, you saw my daddy shirt, I'm a daddy now.
And I'm a first-time uncle. Shit, serious, I take that joke very serious.
Uncle Brett.
Look, this is the best guy I know. Give it up for the amazingly talented Slave, everybody.